Extraction, so we have an isolator which is specifically designed to extract the sample safely. So you wear lab coat, 2 sets of gloves, and work with the sample on the inside of that, inactivate it, and then pass the sample back out. Once it's back out here, we have the room divided in 2. So we've got the clean room and the dirty side, basically. So you set up all your PCR master mixers on this side of the lab, and you add.
The relationship between the University of Cambridge and the University of Makeni UNIMAC has been very cordial and professional, which started during the fight of the deadly Ebola virus. This healthy and fruitful relationship keeps providing efficient and quality academic impact to the University of Makeni UNIMAC, especially the Public Health Department. One key indication is the recent training and coaching of the public health and agriculture students on the mobile innovative laboratory method. Dr. Raul Eminike is the laboratory manager, infectious disease, public health department, UNIMAC. He speaks on the impact and motive of the coming of the 5 scientists from Cambridge University.
One of the challenges the Sierra Leone have suffered in the past year was the Ebola outbreak. And one of the main reasons why many people died and suffered of the virus was that there was lack of adequate human resources. With the support of the University of Cambridge, we have been training our students to be well prepared on epidemiological tracking of contact cases and to be able to deploy in case of outbreak to conduct laboratory testing. And currently, the team from Cambridge are here to test an innovative laboratory method, which means a laboratory that can be deployable in remote area where access to healthcare are not easy and where the test can be done on site without moving the sample from this area to the urban setting where in certain cases it may be dangerous.
I caught up with Dr. Peter Val, expert in infectious disease, Cambridge University, and she had this to say.
Part of a bigger effort which is called Team Deploy, so we're a group of scientists who are trying to find a novel, cost-effective and portable solution for diagnostics, so that we currently at the University of Makeni are our great hosts. We've deployed our lab here and we are trying to test whether one can move around diagnostics instead of people having to walk or travel for days in order to diagnose their disease, whether we could bring the same labs around the country. And University of Makeni helped us by hosting our lab here, but also they helped us with the engagement team. So currently there is an engagement team that operates through the university and goes around at different schools around Makeni to try to teach kids about infectious diseases, how to prevent them, how to recognize them, and we're working together with this team to contribute with our own training materials to try to understand how they work, what's the best way to teach all of these kids. And so we're working really, we're as much giving them as much as we're learning from them. So the University of Makeni have been not only hosts but really good teachers for us to see how to build our engagement strategy.
Binta Rosalind Robert is an agriculture student at the University of Makeni. She expressed her impression of being part of this laudable
us as a student coming up to know diverse way and to mingle and the relationship that we have built with these people. Just think of it, a university like that come to UNIMAC. It's a good opportunity for us the student, and not only for us but as the country as a whole.
Having got such knowledge.
Okay, my role now will be like taking this out, trying to tell people the effect. Like what I've learned now, I know that especially the outbreak in this outbreak disease is caused from animal, especially the zoonotic disease that I just said, from animal to human. So I'll go out there, try to tell people how they will be careful not to involve with short animal, like for instance the outbreak for this Bombali Ebola virus. You have to be very cautious in dealing with short animal, not all animal that you'll be eating and get involved with.
Reporting for AYV Primetime News in Makeni, I am Idris Jerry.